Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Bethel local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance relocation often involves long distances of over 50 miles. When planning a long-distance move, bear in mind that you'll need to get permission from the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA. One of FMCSA's rules require movers to visit the client's current home or office to examine the types of belongings they are shipping across the borders. This step will assist us in providing a comprehensive estimate of the price, duration, and best time to execute the move. It will also help us plan towards handling the fragile items in your stuff. Our movers are friendly and committed to helping clients achieve the most stress-free moving experience possible. Hence, we work with the clients to avoid disrupting other essential activities on the schedule. Our drivers are licensed, and they drive carefully to avoid breaking any of your furniture and other fragile items during the trip to your new apartment in Bethel, CT. Our local movers stand tall among those of other moving companies in Bethel. We provide hourly local moving services and charge $30 to $40 per hour. Since local moves involve less than 50 miles, there are no federal laws, although some states may have specific rules guiding local moves. We can handle the entire local moves, from sorting to packing, loading, and unloading. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bethel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.